First time I met Dharmesh at MIT, we were going to business school. He and I sat next to each other, and it turns out magic happened right there. We both love tech. We both love the idea of helping companies grow. I think it was the day after we graduated, we decided to start the company together. So when we first started HubSpot, there was kind of a problem and an opportunity. The problem I noticed was the way humans buy has completely changed. The way you sell has to completely change. In today's day and age, to be successful, you need to have a customer experience that's 10 times better than the competition. That's the way you build a great company today, is really innovating on the go-to-market and the customer experience. And our mission is we want to help companies, very simply, grow better. We want to help millions of companies grow better. We're passionate about it. We want to help them grow in a sustainable, modern, better way. One of the things about the early days of HubSpot and Dharmesh and I is when we started the company, we just didn't want to build something and flip it like a lot of other companies do. We wanted to build something that would outlast us, that our grandkids would be proud of. And that's kept us grounded and kept us really focusing on pretty far out in the future and making long-term bets and really trying to grow our business, based on success of our customers. And we still feel that way. We still feel like, we've made a lot of progress. We moved from a lead generation software company to a CRM platform business. We have, hundreds of thousands of users, tens of thousands of customers. The two of us feel like we're still just getting started. We're mission driven and we're happy with what we do and really proud of the progress we made, but we have a lot more work to do.